Now next problem is when the letting house is vacant for 1 month or 2 months in previous year. The problem related to number 5. Mr. Ram owns a house property. Its annual letting value is 80,000. During the previous year, it was let out to a tenant on a monthly rent of rupees 7,000. He claimed the following expenses. Municipal tax paid 8,000, expenses for recovery of rent 600, maintenance allowance paid to the stepmother rupees 12,000 annually, which was a charge on the property according to his father's will. The house remained vacant for 1 month during the previous year. Find out the income from house property for the assessment year 2019-20. In this case, the annual value of the house shall be for 11 months because 1 month house is vacant. So the gross annual value shall be determined rupees 77,000, not 80,000. Then the SEC has paid rupees 8,000 as municipal tax. So such amount shall deduct from 77,000. The balance amount 69,000 shall be the net annual value of the property. Now we shall find out the income from house property. From this point of view, we shall deduct 30% of the annual value as standard deduction for repair and other expenses, that is called rupees 20,700. The balance amount rupees 48,300 shall be the income of house property. Rupees 12,000 shall not be allowed to the SEC for stepmother as per income tax law. Recovery recovery of rent not shall be allowed in income tax from the income from house property. So 48,300 shall be the gross net income from house property.